Welcome to a class on present simple. My name is Dave. I am Dave. That's two different ways of saying the same thing. Yeah? I am Dave. My name is Dave. Also, I am a teacher. Okay, I am a teacher. So, what is your name? And what is your job? Okay? Now, I am not a soldier. Yeah, I am not a soldier. I don't have a gun. Yeah, I don't have a gun. So I am not a soldier. I am a teacher. So, to make positive sentences, we say I am. We say my name is. We also say it is. Yeah, my name is Dave. It is Dave. Or we also say he and she is. Yeah, he is Dave. He is Dave. Yeah, you can point at me and say he is Dave. What is your name? So maybe your name is Philip. Yeah, maybe your name is Philip. Now, if I talk about two people, they, then I say they are Max and Sasha. They are Max and Sasha. I am Dave. He is Philip. They are Max and Sasha. I am a teacher is positive, but negative, I'm not a soldier. Yeah, I'm not a soldier. I don't have a gun. Or he isn't Dave. Yeah, or you aren't Dave. Yeah, you aren't Dave. Maybe you are Dave, but probably you aren't Dave. And we say they are Max and Sasha, but they aren't. Okay? Isn't means is not. He is not Dave. He isn't Dave. We make it shorter and say he isn't Dave. But it means he is not Dave. I am not Philip. They are not Simon and Peter, but we say they aren't Simon and Peter. Are not becomes aren't. We make it shorter. Okay, and we put this little apostrophe to show it's shorter. Okay, negatives, now questions. If we want to make a question with the verb to be, we must swap, we must move I am to am I Dave? Am I Dave? Am I Dave? Yes, I am Dave. But I can say, is he Philip? Is he Philip? And now it's a question because we put is he Philip and not he is Philip. He is Philip is positive. Is he Philip is a question. So, am I a teacher? Yes, I am a teacher. Am I a teacher? Am I Dave? Yes, I am Dave. Am I a teacher? Yes, I am a teacher. Is he Philip? Yes, he is Philip. Is he a soldier? Yes, he is a soldier. He has a gun. He has a gun. And are they Simon and Peter? Are they Simon and Peter? Yeah, they are Max and Sasha. Are they Simon and Peter? No, they are Max and Sasha. Okay, so we must am I, is he, are they for questions. Yeah, if we want to make a question, am I, is he, are they Simon and Peter? Okay, so what is your name and what is your job? Okay, think and say, my name is maybe Max, maybe Philip, maybe Sarah, maybe Michelle. And what is your job? Maybe you are a builder, maybe you are a doctor, maybe you are a nurse, maybe you are a student. Okay, so who are you? It's the same. What is your name? Who are you? It's the same question. Yeah, who are you? I am Dave. What is your job? I am a teacher. Okay? And notice what is at the start of questions. Who is at the start of questions? And again, what is at the start of questions? Okay, remember. Okay, this is the verb to be. Now, other verbs, all other verbs. Work, go, play, study, dance, sing, like, love, hate. All verbs, all other verbs work like this. So, I work, yeah, my name is Dave. I work here. And here is in the garden.